Hello everyone,
If you're new here, my name is
I'm a
Joshua.
hardware configuration technician, and
what
today
I'm
I want to
actually
share
learning
what
in
my
this
day
role.
looks like.
So
Let's
today
talk
at work,
about it.
I did two main things: managed my ticket queue and completed job tickets. Let me explain the difference because it confused me at first too. Queue shows random tickets as they come in. These are new requests.
Job tickets are organized by category and due dates. These are the ones I need to finish.
Today's actual work included installing storage on network video recorders, and configuring cameras through network settings.
The best part, I'm learning to set up IP addresses.
Which is exactly what I studied in my community college networking class. It's cool to see that knowledge being used in real life. Now, here's something important I want to share.
How I communicate with my team as a deaf professional.
My team and I use Microsoft Teams for work communication.
But when we go on breaks eating lunch, chatting, casual stuff, we don't use Teams.
For one-on-one conversations, I use an app called Cardzilla.
It shows large text that's easy to read, and
you can enable the microphone for real-time conversation transcription.
for group conversations and meetings, I use Otter.ai.
This app is really good at hearing everything in detail, even in noisy environments.
iPhone has built-in live caption support, which is helpful.
But it struggles when there's a lot of background noise.
That's why Otter.ai works better for me. It catches more details even in busy environments. These tools help me stay connected with my team and do my job effectively.
If you're deaf or hard of hearing and working in tech, these apps can really help.
The skills I'm building here are really valuable.
Networking fundamentals, setting up systems and IP addresses.
Systems thinking, understanding how different pieces connect. Real-world problem solving, not just theory from class.
Communication tools and strategies.
This wasn't my original plan. I studied computer science and got rejected from 100+ coding jobs. But this detour is teaching me skills I never would have learned in a coding bootcamp. I'm still exploring my path.
Will I go into cloud computing?
Cybersecurity.
Back to development with this foundation? I don't know yet, and that's okay.
I'm documenting this journey because I know I'm not alone.
If you're on a non-linear career path, dealing with rejections,
or trying to figure out your next move, follow along. I'm sharing the real journey, not just the wins.
Thanks for watching.
If you have questions about working in hardware, being a deaf professional,
In tech or career transitions, drop them in the comments.
follow for more real career content.
See you in the next one.